Good morning, students. Today we again continue with the same topic, compound interest with formula, that is exercise 2b. Okay. Now the next question is based on the missing time, missing rate or principal. Okay, I have picked up question number 11. Question is, what sum of money will amount to rupees 93,170 in 3 years at 10% per annum compounded annually? Same formulas you have to use for solving all the questions. Okay, so we will use the formula of amount. P into 1 plus R upon 100 whole raised to the power is T. Now the amount is, they said what sum of money will amount to rupees 93,170, means principal is missing and this principal gives us 93,170 rupees as an amount. P will remain as it is, rate of interest is 10 and time period is 3 years. So again we will just solve. It's 11 upon 10 whole raised to the power 3, cross multiply, and after that we will see the value of the principal is rupees 70,000. This is the answer. Next question number 16. In this question the rate is missing. So at what rate percent per annum compound interest will rupees 6,250 amounts to rupees 7,290 in 2 years. Okay, so they said that 6,250 it amounts to rupees this. That means the principal is rupees 6,250. It gives the amount of rupees 7,290 and the time period is 2 years. Rate percent is missing. So we will again use the same formula. Amount is equals to P into 1 plus R upon 100 whole raised to the power T and substitute the values. Now we will shift 6,250 to the other side in the denominator. So after cancellation we'll see 729 and 625. So now see 729 upon 625 is left, that is equals to 1 plus R upon 100 whole raised to the power is 2. So if we have to remove square from this side, on the other side it will be a square root. And we know that square root of 729 is 27 and 625 is a square root of 25. So we'll shift 1 to other side and after subtraction we will see that the rate of interest is 8% per annum. Rate of interest is 8%. So next question I have picked up in which the time is missing. So question number 18. In what time will rupees 5,120 amounts to rupees 7,290 at 12.5% per annum compounded annually? So in this question, rupees 5,120 gives the amount 7,290. So principal is rupees 5,120. Amount is rupees 7,290. Rate of interest is 12.5%. So that will be your 12.5%. Now again we'll put in the formula of amount. Amount is, we'll put the values of principal, rate and time in the formula of amount. So 7,290 is equals to 5,120 into 1 plus 12.5 upon 100 whole raised to the power is T. So we'll shift 5,120 to other side. After adding it becomes 1,125 upon 1,000 whole raised to the power is T. And here after cancellation we can see this is 9 by 8 whole raised to the power is T, and 729 and 512 is a cube of 9 upon 8. So 729 is the cube of 9 and 512 is a cube of 8. So on both the sides we can see the bases are same. So when bases are same, we will equate the powers. Okay, this law we have already studied in the chapter indices. So time is equals to 3 years. So this is the answer. So next question is question number 19. A certain sum of money amounts to rupees 7,260 in 2 years and to rupees 7,986 in 3 years. Interest being compounded annually. Find the rate percent. Now in this case, they said a certain sum of money amounts to rupees 7,260 in 2 years. Means principal is missing. So in this question, the principal is also missing, rate of percent is also missing. So we'll suppose let the principal is P, rate percent is R percent, and the amount is 7,260 and time period is 2 years. For the first case. Second case is the same principal. It gives rupees 7,986 but the time period is 3 years. Okay, rate percent is also same in both the cases. So first we will use a formula for both the cases, amount formula, that is P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power T. We will put the values and we will get the equations. So for 2 years and for 3 years. So after substituting the values, we can see we have got these two equations. So here what we will do, we will divide second equation with first. Now after division, we will see 7,986 upon 7,260 is equals to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power T upon P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power 2. P and P cancel. Here both the brackets have the same term. So this is also cancelled. And we are left with 1 plus R upon 100. Now we'll shift 1 to other side and subtract. After subtraction, we can see that we are having the terms 726 upon 7,260. 100 will go that side. So rate of interest is 10%. So we have got the rate of interest. In the same question, children, if they have asked find the principal, then what we will do, we will put the value of rate of interest either in the first equation or second equation and get the value of the principal. Yes, now for today, the last question is the difference between the simple interest and the compound interest on a sum of money for 2 years at 12% per annum is rupees 216. Find the sum. Sum means principal. So in this question, the principal is missing. So let the principal be P or you can take X. The choice is yours. And the time period is 2 years. And rate percent is 12%. Now they said the difference between SI and CI. Always remember, children, the compound interest is always more than simple interest, because in compound interest every year the principal changes, but in simple interest the principal always remain fixed. So first we will use the formula of simple interest and we will get the value of simple interest. So P into 12 into 2 upon 100, that is 24P upon 100. Now second, we will find out the compound interest. So first we will find out the amount. Amount is P into 1 plus 12 upon 100 raised to the power 2. So this is P into 112 upon 100 whole square. So after solving, we will see it becomes P into 12,544 upon 10,000. This is amount. Now compound interest is amount minus original principal. So 12,544P upon 10,000 minus original principal was P only. Okay, we'll subtract, and after subtraction we will see we are left with 2,544 into P upon 10,000. Now we'll come to the second part of the question. They have given the difference between CI minus SI is 216. So we'll put the value of compound interest as well as the simple interest. So compound interest is 2544p upon 10,000 minus 24p upon 100 is equals to 216. Now we'll solve this. After solving, we'll see that we are left with the principal 15,000 rupees. So the required sum is 15,000. So children, for today you will practice from question number 11 to question number 19 of exercise 2B. Thank you.